Before we begin to declutter our homes, I wonder if it might be beneficial to address some of the benefits you'll gain by organizing your space. Let's look at 10 benefits of decluttering to inspire you to get started. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Today, I'll cover 10 benefits of decluttering to inspire you to get started on organizing your space. You can get your printable daily housekeeping routine and cleaning checklists at the link below. This 15-page printable kit is delivered digitally to your email for you to print and personalize. It includes a daily schedule, calendar pages, and deep cleaning checklists for every room and area of your home. 10 benefits of decluttering. Benefit 1. Less stuff means you will have less to clean and keep organized. A house filled with clutter takes longer to clean and more time to maintain. Benefit 2. More appreciation for what you have. If you have minimal belongings, you'll care for them differently than if you had plenty at your disposal. Benefit 3. Less chaos and stress. You will notice that messy spaces create a feeling of stress because the mess is a reminder of what still needs to be done. Minimalism has the benefit of lots of empty space, or in other words, more breathing room. Benefit 4. More money you keep. If you cherish and care for what you already have, you'll find you spend less and keep more of your hard-earned cash. Benefit 5. Mental clarity and more energy. You get to do more of the things you love if you aren't constantly working to clean and care for a large amount of possessions. Benefit 6. An added benefit to decluttering is that you can bless someone else if you have good items you need to rehome. Benefit 7. You'll shop more thoughtfully. You'll be more likely to only purchase what you really need if you are fully aware of what you already have. You'll likely even find that you decline buying some things when you thoughtfully consider if you really need it. Benefit 8. By decluttering your home, you're creating visual and actual peace. Have you ever completed a task that involved a huge visual improvement? Like pulling weeds from your garden, you can appreciate the visual improvement your efforts created. It is gratifying to look over a job and feel a sense of accomplishment. Benefit 9. Time. Think of all of the time it takes you to do a huge declutter. You will gain that time back if you don't refill the space you cleared. It takes far less time to clean a space that is free from extra stuff. Unstuff your space. Benefit 10. More pleasant relationships with the ones you love who share your space. It is far easier to cuddle up with your little ones and read a book if the books are neatly organized and there is a clean spot to sit and snuggle. By decluttering, you are freeing space and time for doing what matters most to you. Clutter can also be a source of disagreement between spouses. Clearing out the excess restores peace to your relationships. I hope this quick list has motivated you to make some changes. Get back to doing the things you love and living the life you were meant to enjoy. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that, too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there is likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link this information below. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We are going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series on the blog. In this series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task and a weekly email. By the time you complete this series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you will spend far less time cleaning it. So, don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.